Damn, it's been a while since I made a fucking video for you guys, but here we go. What is it? It's May 29th, 2021, man. So it's crazy. I don't know if you found this video or something. You came across this video, maybe I don't know. It could maybe change your life. I don't know, cause like on Tuesday, like AMC stock is supposed to like, I don't know. They're supposed to like, it's supposed to go. It's supposed to keep people are just buying the shit out of this stock right now because the hedge funds been screwing over the fucking, us, the regular folks. They've been short selling it with naked shares. They don't even have these shares, and they've been selling it. They've been shorting the stock. So I don't know, but there's a lot of fraud going on, and this might be a once in a lifetime opportunity again. I don't know. So anyway, dude, the fucking FedEx guy dropped these fucking this box, dude. This is the fucking Reebok pump. Man, like when I was a kid, like I'm a '80s baby. Yeah, I grew up in the '80s, I gotta remember. I remember on the commercials and shit for the Reebok pump, they're like, it's like that sound it makes. Shh. When you press the release valve, shh. I thought that was the coolest shit when I was a fucking little boy. I was probably like in elementary school. I remember our neighbors, like their friend actually had a pair, and I was actually pushing the fucking pump. I was pumping it up, and I hit the release valve, and that shit. I don't know. I guess it blew my mind. I don't know. I was just so fascinated. And I've never thought about getting a pair until like recently. Like I looked at the web page, and they were like, oh, Reebok pump. They're fucking coming back for 2021. It's like this is like the white version. But yeah, the guy just dropped it off. So let me do a reveal, because I've never been into shoes, but this actually, I don't know. It might start something. Yeah, let's open this shit up. Yeah, it said be careful. But whatever. Oh shit. Look at this. Says fucking pump it up, like pump up the volume, man. Ooh, wait. Ooh, right there. Custom fit. What else should I say? I guess, I don't know. Standard box, I guess. I don't know. I'm not a shoe guy. I've never been a shoe guy. These are in 7.5. This is my shoe size. Hopefully it fits, because I get 7.5 in all my shoes. My Adidas, New Balance. Hopefully this shit fits. Man, alright. Like standard packaging, I guess, right? Ooh, shit. Man. Ooh, that shit so white. Oh, man. Ah, man, look at this. Oh, shit. Let me put down this box, though. What the fuck? Look, it's hella tiny and shit. I got small feet, Look at this shit. Reebok, the pump. You guys can see that shit. The pump. Look at this. The fucking pump is right here. This is what I was talking about. You can fucking pump it up. You hear that shit? Where's the release valve? This it? Oh shit. What? Maybe I gotta do something. Oh, it's so little. Maybe I gotta like wear it and then pump it and then release it, because I remember on the TV commercials you could that totally hell hear it. Alright. So what? What? Maybe I gotta put it on, huh? Maybe I gotta put it on. Let me try putting it on. Let's see. Shit. Take that out. Alright, let me try the. Damn, man. Dude, I like the white. I usually don't get white shoes at all, because I know when I wear white, that shit always gets dirty. Damn, these are fucking clean. I like them. I don't play basketball, but I'd walk around with these. I'd walk, yeah. If I go out, I don't really go out too much, but yeah, if I go out, but look at this. fuck? Ooh, shit. Alright. Maybe I gotta fucking... Oh, ah. Oh, shit. You guys can't see it on... That shit? What the fuck? Alright, let me put on the other pair. The other pair. Yeah. Damn. Yeah, like I said, you shouldn't get white shoes at all. It's nice. This feels nice. Leather. Whatever. I don't know what material. Yeah. It's nice and soft. It's nice and sturdy too. So shit, they're good. They could be good shoes for sure. Cause they're made for basketball. So you know, man, what the fuck? This shit is sick. Where that shit? I gotta make them tighter. I gotta make this shit tighter or something. Oh, shit. Maybe I can aim this lower. You can see me fucking trying to pump this shit. Look at it. Trying to fucking pump this shit. Trying to fucking pump this shit. Made in Vietnam. Yeah. Look at this shit. Look at this boy. Look at this shit. Look, dude. Damn. This shit is so clean up. What the fuck? Look at this shit. Man. Dude. I've never been a shoe guy, but damn. I should start getting more shoes. I got my New Balances for the gym. The fucking Yeezys too. And some Ultra Boost. But maybe I'll start getting shoes that like vintage shit or whatever I wanted when I was younger. Yeah, I'll get stuff that I wanted when I was younger because I was broke. We didn't have no money when I was younger. Not saying I got money now, but just saying, yeah, things that you really liked and like you wanted, just go after and get it. Yeah. But yeah, I can hear it. Oh, there we go. You can feel it. You can feel a little of it. But I'm sure I gotta like really tighten it because it feels kind of loose. But oh yeah, I heard it. Not that loud, but you hear it. So I don't know. Whenever I wear it, we'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, AMC. Look into fucking AMC. It might change your life. I don't know. Do it. Just do it. Just do it. I don't know. Just do it. Put whatever money you can lose, just do it. It's cool, man. If you lose it, you lose it. If you become a fucking thousandaire, millionaire, whatever, who knows, man. That's it for this week. It's been a while. I know I should make more videos, but whenever I feel like it, you know. Alrighty. Until next time, yeah.